Introducing the Surebonder cordless 60-watt glue gun. Surebonder specializes in creating the safest glue guns in the world and is committed to providing their customers with the best possible experience. The Surebonder cordless comes with a heating dock, allowing the glue gun to heat up without being attached to a cumbersome cord. There's no battery to worry about either. Finally, have the freedom of leaving the crafting bench without the hassle of expensive batteries or extension cables. Simply place the Surebonder cordless on its heating dock and it'll do the rest. Once it's hot, you can take it with you anywhere you need it. When it needs to be reheated, simply place it back on the dock. Even without the cord, the Surebonder cordless glue gun boasting 1.5 times the power of other standard full-size glue guns. More power means more glue before you have to slow down your project, allowing you to go and go and go. This high-temperature glue gun is perfect for working with wood, plastic, and metal. The Surebonder cordless has an on-off switch, so you can leave it plugged in with peace of mind and don't have to unplug or move the dock. And you can always check the red indicator light on the rear of the glue gun to see whether the gun is on or off. The Surebonder cordless heating dock also has a Surebonder nonstick silicone glue pad located under the nozzle to help keep your work area clean and tidy. The Surebonder cordless is designed with a set of side fins that keeps glue in the heating chamber and away from the Teflon protected inlet tube to prevent backflow for added peace of mind. The chamber itself has full pull technology designed to grip each glue stick and prevent slipping when you pull the trigger. Surebonder pioneered building a safety fuse into the gun, ensuring added protection other glue guns don't offer. Bring the glue gun to your project, not the other way around, with the Surebonder cordless 60-watt glue gun. Surebonder, stick with the best. Some projects need precise detail, which is why we've created the Surebonder Detail Mini Glue Gun. The Surebonder Detail Mini is twice as powerful as standard mini glue guns. More power means more glue, so you never have to worry about running out of glue in the middle of your fine detail work. The Detail Mini Glue Gun comes with a specialty detail tip, perfect for accurate pinpoints of glue and reaching those hard-to-reach places with ease. The Surebonder Detail Mini Glue Gun is high temperature, meaning it's perfect for metal, wood, magnets, ceramics, glass, paper, plastics, and all non-porous materials. With a set of side fins, the Surebonder Detail Mini Glue Gun is able to be laid down on its side, unlike regular glue guns, which could cause backflow. You won't have to lay the gun down, however, as long as you use the detachable auxiliary stand that comes with each detail gun. It also features an on and off switch, so you can leave the gun plugged in and ready to go. Make sure to check the indicator light on the back of the gun to see if the gun is on or off. The long trigger makes the Detail Mini a breeze to squeeze, so you can focus on getting that detail where you need it without stress. The insulated nozzle adds safety for you and the materials you're working with, keeping heat exactly where you want it. A wide base allows you to set the gun down upright without fear of it tipping over and increases the gun's overall stability. Like all other Surebonder glue guns, the Detail Mini comes with a full suite of internal upgrades that most competitor glue guns just don't offer. Surebonder was the first to pioneer putting a safety fuse into their glue guns to make them the safest on the market. We recommend Surebonder mini-sized glue sticks for this gun to ensure a high standard of quality with your glue. It's the the highest quality stick you can buy, and it's the only stick made right here in the USA. The Surebonder Detail Mini Glue Gun is the perfect solution for fine detail work. Surebonder, stick with the best.
Hi, I'm Jen from Gorilla Glue, and today I'm going to show you how to use Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks are incredibly tough and versatile and provide a long-term hold on hard-to-bond surfaces. These hot glue sticks work in both high and low temperature glue guns. Use the low temperature for delicate materials and the high temperature for strong bonding. The clear adhesive features an extended working time of 45 seconds for added convenience on all types of projects. Gorilla Hot Glue is also weather resistant. Keep your projects safe from seasonal temperature swings. Using Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks is easy. Just follow these instructions. Insert your glue stick into your glue gun and decide what temperature should be used. We recommend testing the product before its intended use. The working time is dependent on the amount of glue applied and the temperature of the glue gun. Then, wait for the glue and gun to heat up to the desired temperature. Once it has reached the appropriate level, apply the glue to your project. After you've finished your project, store the glue sticks in a cool, dry location. If cleanup is necessary, wait for the glue to cool, then scrape it off. Gorilla Hot Glue comes in both full-size and mini sticks, which differ by diameter. Each of those sizes comes in a 4-inch and an 8-inch length. The stick size you will need will be indicated on your hot glue gun. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Gorilla Tough tips and project ideas.